I'm humbled to accept this award on behalf of the fans of Kitguru. But truth be told, I'm really after the processors. Over the past few weeks I have spoken to you on many occasions about Intel 13th Gen Core, or Raptor Lake, which is about to replace 12th Gen Alder Lake, but I have not as yet shown you 13th Gen Raptor Lake. That changes today because we have our press samples. The package, clearly this is a die shot, and this is a paperweight of some persuasion, and here we have two CPUs. I rather like the package, but we already have photos of the dies for Raptor Lake, so this is just pish posh metallic artwork. The paperweight desk item type thing, so clearly that is another die shot of Raptor Lake, and we can see it has 8P cores and presumably 16E cores. I'm assuming it's the i9 rather than the i7, and on the back we have a little cheat sheet telling us about the i9, the i7 and the i5. There are 6 processors about to land, 3 are Ks, 3 are KFs, i.e. without the graphics cores, i9, i7, i5. So the two processors, the Core i5 13600K and the Core i9 13900K, clearly directly replacing the i9 12900K and the i5 12600K. The snag is, in terms of reviewing the things, that the i9 gains E-cores, as I've discussed more than once. We'll put links below this video. The new i7 has the same core configuration as the current Core i9, i.e. 8 plus 8. i9 to i9, bit of an unfair battle in favour of the Raptor Lake, which I'm certain is what Intel is intending. The new i9 will dominate the current, soon to be old, i9. In terms of pricing, prices are already listed and they are not too shocking, slightly more expensive than the current 12th gens. I suspect the new Core i5 could maintain the role of the current Core i5 being the budget processor for gamers, which still sounds weird. After all, that was AMD's place for many years. I have little doubt the Core i9 13900K is going to smash the Core i9 12900K all over the park. Luke loved the Ryzen 9 7950X. The question is, can Intel take the fight to AMD? And believe you me, it still sounds incredibly strange phrasing the question that way. Can Intel fight back against the mighty AMD? So you're going to have to hang on to your hats for a little while longer, but do please in the meantime check out our videos about Raptor Lake. What on earth is 13th Gen Core all about? And do we think it can possibly match Intel's claims, which are at the moment huge? There we have it. A whistle-stop tour of the new 13th Gen Raptor Lake press samples. Please check back in 10 days for more full-on reviews.